Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up support and resistance on TradingView using an easy method. First, open your TradingView chart and select the horizontal line tool from the drawing panel. This tool is perfect for marking precise price levels where the market has previously reacted. We'll focus on identifying clear turning points to draw effective lines, helping you visualize potential future price movements with greater clarity and confidence. To find strong support and resistance points, zoom out on your chart to see the bigger picture. Identify areas where the price has bounced off or struggled to break through on multiple occasions. These are your most reliable levels. A level with 2 or more clear rejections or bounces is generally considered more significant. Focus on the most recent and impactful price movements to ensure your lines are relevant to current market conditions. Once you've identified a key level, select the horizontal line tool and click directly on the price point you wish to mark. You can easily adjust the line's position by dragging it. Customize its appearance by changing the color and thickness in the settings menu, making it stand out on your chart. Extend these lines across the entire chart to observe how price has reacted to them historically, reinforcing their validity. Support and resistance levels provide excellent reference points for your trading decisions. When price approaches a support level, it might signal a good opportunity to consider buying, expecting a bounce. Conversely, a resistance level could indicate a potential selling point or a place to take profits. Remember to combine these levels with other indicators for confirmation. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals to help you stay organized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.